Bonjour à tout le monde, je suis Lise de French Cosette. Today I'm going to reveal a secret that will make your French more fluent and smoother when you're gonna speak it. Without being too specific about it, let's say that la liaison is the linking of sounds between two words in certain contexts. To make this work, you have to understand that you're gonna have a foot in two camps. The writing, the spelling, and the other one, phonetics, sounds. Let's have a look.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah.
To start with, the liaison is about pronunciation and about two words following each other. Word 1 is ending with a consonant, and word 2 starts with a vowel sound. To make it simple, a vowel sound is a speech sound made with your mouth fairly open, unlike consonant sounds. Take the time to have a look on the International Phonetics Alphabet. You see, each red symbol represents a French vowel sound. But let's come back to our word 1, the one ending with a letter that is a consonant. As a reminder, final consonants in French words are usually not pronounced. Mes, nous, mais, nous. So not pronouncing the S at the end of these words make these words ending by a vowel sound, the sound E, N, U. As we already mentioned, word 2 should start with a vowel sound if we want a liaison to happen. Mes enfants, nous avons. Mes enfants, nous avons. Mes enfants, nous avons. Mes enfants, nous avons. The extra sound Z was added to make the whole pronunciation easier. It comes from the sound connection between the letter S and the vowel sound that is following. It's as if these two words were merging. Mes enfants, nous avons. In a nutshell, the liaison has been an answer to French natives' pronunciation issues. Indeed, for us, it's not the easiest in the context of a normal speech pace to make two vowel sounds following each other. With this video, I wanted to show you that the liaison is meaningful and useful. And having this understanding, instead of thinking that this is all about rules to apply, makes a lot of difference. Et voilà, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. I really hope that this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, Facebook or TikTok. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.